go around. Go this way. I'll look at it. I know. Now I'll look at it. It's funny. I should have said it. It's like the Matrix.
Are you?
What will really bake your noodle later is would you have knocked it off and broke it if I hadn't said anything? I said don't worry about it, she says. Remember that? Who that is? The Oracle? Extra sandpaper if you need one. Okay. Want to do just one box or want me to find you a second?
What did I do? Last time I did a whole
stack.
thing.
Okay, well I'll find you another box. So you do your thing there. I'll find you another box. You're not putting on airs, you're just sharing your stuff with them.
Yeah, there's no airs here. Today is the day I can finally expand my apiary. I'm gonna double it, actually.
That's an old one. It's gonna take some work to get this right. You might have to do. I would work on this one first because when you sand this, it's gonna gum up the sandpaper. Well, I can change it out, but this is gonna require a little bit more sanding and degunking. Because this was one I needed a super in a bad way, and I wasn't painted before I put it, or varnished before I put it outside.
All right, today I'm gonna expand my apiary and I'm gonna repurpose some old boxes. I wanna paint them up and make them look nice, but I didn't want to buy any new ones. We have a lot laying around here. So my plan is to scrape everything up, sand it down, shine it up, and the best part, paint it so it can look good for the apiary. Alright, let me start with a little sanding. Oh no, let me start with a little scraping. What is the point even of scraping all this off? It's
You put paint over top of it, and the paint will flake off.
But there won't be paint inside there.
You're going to clean your box up. Let me get those.
I just got it, but it's taking forever. I mean, is it supposed to be like great or just better? Alright, gross part fully removed. Onto the sanding. I want to sand it so the paint will stick better and they'll look super good at the end. Maybe I should try to blow some of this off so I'm not painting sawdust and sandpaper into my hives. Alright, my plan is green base, pink lettering, and really cute flowers. Oh, this looks good. Oh, that's gonna be nice. Piece of cake. I'll just push it. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit, wash the green off my hands, and come back for a round of pink lettering. Alright, they're looking so good. The green turned out exactly what I wanted. The trick today is whether or not I can make a TXT. So if you've seen my other beehive, it is supposed to be BTS. I don't know if you can recognize that because most people ask me, why does my beehive say Beets? But if I tell you my first beehive is BTS themed, let me know if you recognize my green and pink hive.
What's BTS?
I'm not going to tell you. If you don't know, you don't know. For a minute, I thought I was going to try to do a template and really try to make it look halfway nice. And then I thought the template is too overwhelming. So I am just really going to try to conjure up the general spirit of a TXT album. And then, of course, I'm going to paint flowers and make it all bee related anyway.
What are you going to do with that?
Make a TXT.
You're going to try to paint it on the box?
Like just a TXT.
You can't do that with that.
You don't think?
Oh no, you better put that, spray some of that into a cup, and then if you want to use it with that, paint it on there with a brush, or go get pink paint from my paints upstairs and paint it on. That's not going to do it. That's gonna be, you're not gonna be able to, you can't, it's gonna give you a line like that. Here, try to write TXT on that. See that?
I mean, that's what I wanted.
That's not gonna. That's if you try to paint that on the side of that, it's gonna run down. Yeah, look at that. That's soup.
Okay. It seems like I'm probably gonna have to redo this with a paintbrush, but in my mind, I really thought I could do it with a spray paint. The running part is the problem. What if I leave it flat? Very flat. Oh no, I need a napkin. Do you have something down here I can use? If I keep it upright, it might be okay. You can believe it or not, but this is in the vicinity of what I was hoping for. I think the trick is I gotta keep it this way so that it won't start running down. Would have been a little better if I had kept a cloth nearby. But I think I'm on the right track. actually am liking that even better. I like it a lot. I feel like it's going to be a multi-phase process though, because I'm scared to turn it sideways and let it drip. But at least I can work on one more box. Yeah, this will definitely be a one day at a time situation, I think. Alright, well, it's inefficient, but I like it. Alright, today is the best day. This is the day that it all comes together. I'm going to use my amazing painting skills, which is pretty much just making flowers like I did for the last one. Same thing you would probably do in preschool. If I'm on the ball, I might try to outline it, but I kind of like the way it is, so we'll see. If you have boring beehives, you are totally missing out. I thought this was so much fun. I don't know if my artistic ability will totally pay off, but it was so much fun. If you have any opinion or suggestion, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye!